Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. So here is an update for all of you that if you would like to enhance your resume and update and upskill yourself, here is free course plus free certificate for all of you. You can choose your free courses from top 35 programs in business basics, data science, marketing, machine learning and technology. This course is available, and if you would like to go for these programs, you have to pay thousands and lakhs of rupees. But for now, these are absolutely free. If you are a fresher or a working professional and you don't want to invest a hell lot of time to upskill yourself, here are few short-term courses for you. These courses vary from 6 to 8 hours. They all are available, that also free of cost. The flexible learning, so what else would you need to upskill yourself now? So here upgrad is presenting the Upstart program for all of you, those who have no time to upskill themselves. So here are free courses you can choose from numerous programs and enhance your skills. So these are very short and convenient courses such as in business basics, data science, marketing, machine learning, technology. Either you are a fresher, you are working, or you are a graduate or postgraduate and have keen interest in these technology or subjects, you can upstart to upscale yourself and upskill yourself in these domains. All these courses are designed in collaboration with leading industry experts to help you develop strong fundamentals. Now, let us have a quick tour to the quick courses for your busy schedule. So, there are business basics, data science, marketing, machine learning, and technology. All the domains are required in today's world, in today's competitive market to make you stay update. So, in fundamentals of marketing, this will be a 14-hour duration course. Here this course will help you out to understand what marketing is and how it helps the business growth objective. So if you belong to MBA marketing or sales background, this courses could be a best course for you to enhance your skill and update your resume. Now if you would like to make your career in digital marketing, then introduction to social marketing is a 10 hours course wherein it will help you to learn more about the social media platform. If you have interest in web analytics, then this is the 7 hours beginner course where you will learn and understand your online audience and could be able to measure the performance of your campaigns. If you are interested in SEO, that is search engine optimization, 6 hours course would be a benefited course for you. So in total, there are 35 programs absolutely free of cost. You can choose any number of programs from these. You can get access to them for no fees. Why you should do these courses? Absolutely, because they are free of cost, because they will add value to your resume, because they will show that you have upgraded yourselves according to the need of the market. Also because you will be getting an e-certificate of completion once you successfully finish all the modules within your program. Definitely this program by upgrad will help you all to learn the basics of the industry and industry requirement. Hurry up and register yourself now because these courses may not be there after 31st March 2021. They may change to the paid courses. Right now they are absolutely free of cost. So you can go check the deadline for each course and ensure that you complete before it expires. So that's all for today. For more such informative videos, job updates, internship updates, and career enhancement, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Fresh Learning Academy.